guys, it's Derek and Blake from the DB Garage. Today we're going to give you a little bit of an update on the SA12. We had a couple comments asking about, where's the update video since we didn't get to show you. So today we're going to meter it and we're going to kind of show you a little bit of flex on it and just kind of show you guys around. Stay tuned. Now we're going to go ahead and set the SSA meter up in the dash, right above the dash on the windshield, and then we're going to monitor it with the app. We're going to show you kind of not necessarily a live feed, but like a live shot of what it's going to do with the window open, and then we're going to do seats down. Blake's going to videotape as we go along here. We're going to start at 34 hertz. .36 hertz. .38 hertz. And 40. All right, so we got 138.22 decibels at 38 hertz. Now we're going to show you what it's like to play on music and how loud it is on that.
All right, now we're going to try windows up. Derek's going to pop the door and see if we gain. Careful, these guys.
Okay, now we're going to go ahead and play some music. I'm going to play a song that I just listen to every day, so here it goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching our video today and our SA12 build. Hope you enjoyed the update. I know you guys have been asking for it. We've got plenty more builds coming soon, like we got an SD312 build that we did on my dad's truck that's going to be coming up soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that. This is Derek and Blake from the DB Garage. Peace.